Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is about the Air-Loc size 25 12-9 ATV tire Innertube. So let's get down and watch this video and let's open it, install it. Alright, it's open. So they looks very good. They both of them looks good. They comes in like this inside this bag. So there is no special bag for it. Here's the complete information what the size. When I ordered it's a little bit different, but it's still here 25 by 12 and 13, 50, and then 9. That's the rim size over here. So hopefully this helps you out, and it's totally made in Korea. I got a high trust on this because it's made in Korea. Most stuff made in Korea I like it. It's high quality as well. It's not like China. And then if you're asking what else comes in the box, really nothing. Only two Innertube, and of course nuts and bulb and cover. Cover, and then the lid over here. And let's see if it fits. Alright guys, 3 hours later. Now you are on your own risk. Make sure you have your safety glasses, your good gloves. Honestly, I don't have any special tool. It's all I got, a sledgehammer and a short brow bar. So what I got right here, it's an inner tire ride and a subframe sway bar, and then some stuff. And in the bottom, that's how it look like right there. That's one of my bearing press over there. See, it fits perfect over there. Okay, this is how I got it set up right now. Here's a sledgehammer, and here's a power driver right there. I'm gonna put it right here and push it down for me to keep more leverage. So I'm gonna put on a time lapse right now so you can see me struggle the whole time. Well guys, I'm done for today. I can't do it, so I guess I had to go to a Harbor Freight or a tire shop to get it done. I will see. I probably better off to buy one from Harbor Freight just in case I use it somewhere else. It's better to have an extra tool. So yesterday I went to Harbor Freight and I got the Pittsburgh Hellbreaker. That's the one over there, and let's see if it works. Well, actually worked this time. I got it done. Okay, since I'm just going to put the inner tube in, I'm not going to take the rubber off the rims, so I'm just going to slide it in here somehow, somewhat in here, and then I'm going to put on the time lapse so you can see it how I can do it the whole time. It's going to be fast, but hope it helps you. And I am really sorry that my camera died on me and you didn't get the time lapse. I hope you're okay with that. Well guys, as you can see it, I never done this before. This is the first time I do it, but I think it's better to instead of putting this one down here first like this, it's like put the big one in there first and it'll be better. And then it's better to the valve over here, and it should be like this as well outside, and you put down, so when it goes down in there, it should turn over this way to that. That'd be the easier way to do it, but the way I did it, it's pain in the butt. It's hard. It took 2 persons to do this thing over here right now. Honestly, I don't think it's worth doing this job by yourself. Okay guys, little tip over here. On the valve hole over here, it's kind of too big around, and then this the only nut comes with it. It don't come nothing else. So I just found some of this in my toolbox. It's better to put it like that. That way this thing won't go inside the whole rim. Better to be safe than sorry. Okay, after you hand tighten this one, don't tighten it too much, because if not you can pull it out and then you can mess up the rubber inside. And then insert the second one, that way it will lock down itself, just like that. And then get a 12mm socket and tie it down, not as tight, just like that. Just be very careful. Make sure don't keep turning the whole bottom one or the whole thing. If it did, you may damage the inside, like twist the plastic off the tire. So I think that's good like that. And then put the air back in. Well, it's holding the air very good. So it's in right now. It fits perfect. As you can see over here, that's the rim after the air went in there. Looks good. No more air leak or anything else. I wouldn't say I save money by doing this, but it took me a long time to do it. It's probably better after to buy one of these for $80. So maybe, I don't know, you do the math and think about it and make decision for your own. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like and share. And then don't forget to activate that notification bell. And once again, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it and hope to see you next video. Until then, bye for now.